Hi friends, it's Kristen from Spree Create, a division of Spree, and today I tackle a weekly spread for April in my 2020 hybrid album. So today I've decided to stick with some pocket page memory keeping, and I start by doing a photo dump, and I print all the pictures for this week on collage photos with my Epson 400, PM400. And I print a bunch of 3x4s, a couple 4x6s, and a few collage photos with various 1x1s and 2x2s. To tell my story this week, I noticed my pictures are all over the place and the colors are really not coordinating, so I know that my cards that I choose have to do that for me. So I go into my Ali Edwards stash and I'm pulling from the basic storytelling kit. I go with some greens and some yellows, and I pull all the letters, some alpha stickers, some circle label stickers, and a few other bits and pieces that have those coordinating colors. And I decide that those are the pieces that I'm going to work with. And here what I decided to do was use a 1-inch circle, the circle labels, and a 1.5-inch circle punch, and I make some half circle labels that I'm going to use across the double page spread to kind of coordinate everything and bring everything together. I use some wood veneers that I pull out of my box a few seconds ago there, and I'm just doing some freehand journaling. In a couple of the 4x6 pockets, I end up putting some 3x4s. So what I decide to do is just use a 4x6 card that I know that I probably won't use as is, and I tape down the 3x4s to it so that everything is nice and secure in my pockets. I go through here and I use some color theory stickers, and I make a full-on journaling card and then decide actually to scrap it because I found a few other pictures that I wanted to include in the layout, so I have to kind of work backwards from here. I'm using now some black foam stickers from Vicky Boutin. I'm going through my stash and just trying to find. I end up using all kinds of random little bits and pieces in this layout. Some more freehanding journaling, and here I took an Ali Edwards 4x6 card and cut it in half so that I could really bring the dark colors from both pages so that they coordinate. So in the end, this is what it ended up looking like. It's a really simple double page spread, but it does tell my story of the week, and I love the simplicity of Ali Edwards cards. So you can see here I've used my mega date stamp to stamp in the week, and those little bits of ephemera and some enamel dots really to pull it all together. So a really simple layout, didn't take very long at all, but I think really effectively tells the story of my week. Thanks for watching.